We are very proud of the quality here. We harvest each papaya by hand at sunrise, ensuring the fruit you receive is perfectly ripe and fresh.
To ensure the highest quality, we look for papayas that are 75 to 90% mature, indicated by these slight yellow patches.
Place the full ones on the left side.
Okay, I see the empty crates over there.
We ensure the cold chain is unbroken. The papayas move directly from these crates into the refrigerated unit behind me, maintaining freshness.
As the sun rises, the journey begins, bringing the freshest harvest from our family of farms to your table.
Seal is good. Temperature is reading at 3 degrees Celsius.
Okay, I'm scanning the first pallet now.
My role is to oversee the initial inspection. We check for freshness, ripeness, and any damage during transit. Only the best fruit makes it inside.
Pallet 9 goes to bay 4.
Got it. How many crates left on the truck?
About 20.
Check the bottom on this one. See that blemish?
Yeah, that's too deep. We better pull it.
Multi-stage washing system uses only sanitized water to ensure every papaya is meticulously cleaned before moving to the next phase.
Here is where the magic happens. The machine efficiently crushes and separates the papaya pulp from the seeds and skin.
As you can see, the juice is vibrant. We use these tanks to blend the ingredients precisely, monitoring the pH levels closely for consistency.
The homogenization process ensures that every bottle of our juice has a consistent texture. We use high pressure to blend the ingredients thoroughly.
Inside the homogenizer, we see the very moment the larger particles are fractured into a finer, more consistent product.
This heat exchanger brings the juice to exactly 95 degrees Celsius. As you can see on the gauge, we maintain that temperature. We immediately cool the papaya juice after pasteurization. This rapid temperature drop is crucial to maintain the
As the temperature lowers, the molecules stabilize, preventing further heat damage and restoring smooth motion.
Here in the Quality Control Lab, we utilize these digital refractometers to precisely measure the sugar content, ensuring
The probe is gently lowered into the homogenized papaya sample. After a brief moment, the reading stabilizes.
Here in the filling hall, our state-of-the-art machinery handles the entire process from sterilization to final packaging, ensuring peak freshness. As you can see, the bottles are capped and then move quickly to the labeling station before receiving their unique product code here at the end.